This is feedback from Nourah on her WR1 essay. So, I mean, I think it looks like it's coming along really well. Just a few things. Number one, format. You need to make sure that the title is same size as the regular print. You should also be using Times New Roman 12, not 16. And everything needs to be that. The header is not correct. It needs to be changed. There shouldn't be this border thing around the edge. You need to have your ID number. So these things need to be corrected. Looking at the essay, I think you're doing a great job. I think this is a really great intro. I like what you're saying here. I like how you did some research. And I like how you put the numbers in here. However, the problem is that on the regular essay, the test, you won't be able to put numbers because you won't be able to do research. So get used to using no numbers now. So instead of saying 500 people a year die in car accidents, say many people die in car accidents. You know, the car accidents occur very often, and you know the age group. You know, so because 95% of the car accidents was due to lack of attention. Say most car accidents were due to lack of attention. Also in your intro, I like a transition sentence right here. So you give me all these causes, and then you just go straight to the thesis. Right here should be a sentence that says something like, you know, with all these major causes, it's important to look at the effects. Or with all these major effects, it's important to look at the causes. And then you go into your thesis. This is a pretty good thesis. This shouldn't be here. I would just say this should be your statement. Right now, you're giving a statement of the Ministry of Interior, and that shouldn't be. You should just say the main cause of car accidents is lack of attention, period. And using the mobile phone. Give an example, because these paragraphs are way too short, so you're going to need some more stuff here. So giving some examples showing cause and effect in your examples would be great. So if somebody's using the Phelps phone, and then they're not going to be paying attention to the road, and if somebody in front of them pushes on the brakes really fast, they're not going to have enough time to slow down, and they'll hit the car in front of them. As a result, of looking at their cell phone, they get into accidents. So give that example, and do the same thing for these other ones as well. Okay, and then give a concluding sentence saying something like, you know, lack of attention is one of the major causes of, you know, car accidents in Kuwait today. So the second paragraph, same thing, more examples needed, concluding sentence. It needs to be a more direct topic sentence. I like how you try to use a complex sentence, but this should be like in your examples and inside the body paragraph, not for the topic sentence. So try to be similar to what I said here for your topic sentence. And with the conclusion, I love how you tried to put awareness. That's why I made that green, because I think that's really good. But show us how. Okay, so make those changes and upload it into week 5.